Welcome to 504 Absolutely Essential Words. Hi everyone, this is Teacher JR from Camglish.com. In today's episode, we're going to have an activity or some activities on lesson number 18. And we will start with fill in the blanks. So place one of the new words in each of the blanks below. So, are you ready? Great, now let's have number 1. Try not to be blank when you drive a car, especially at night. Try not to be reckless when you drive a car, especially at night. Number 2. The brilliant investigator found an blank answer to the problem. The brilliant investigator found an ingenious answer to the problem. Number 3. I find it more blank to buy a monthly train ticket than to pay for each ride each day. I find it more economical to buy a monthly train ticket than to pay for each ride each day. Number 4. If you continue to blank about the play, everyone will think you are a relative of the author. If you continue to rave about a play, everyone will think you are a relative of the author. Number 5. I took one blank and I knew it was Frank Sinatra. I took one glance and I knew it was Frank Sinatra. Number 6. Every week, Mrs. Evans made a blank covering of essential sums she would have to spend. Every week, Mrs. Evans made a budget covering the essential sums she would have to spend. Number 7. The coach knew how to blank the players to do what he wanted. The coach knew how to manipulate the players to do what he wanted. Number 8. Bobby's job at the gas station was to blank all the cars after they had been worked on. Bobby's job at the gas station was to lubricate all the cars after they had been worked on. Number 9. When someone you love dies, it is a blank. When someone you love dies, it is a tragedy. Number 10. Journalists reported that the dropping of the bombs was a blank act. Journalists reported that the dropping of the bombs was a horrid act. Number 11. The car leaped up on the sidewalk, struck a blank, and then crashed into a bakery's window. The car leaped up on the sidewalk, struck a pedestrian, and then crashed into the bakery's window. And number 12. Whirling across the stage, the blank ballet dancer captured our hearts. Whirling across the stage, the nimble ballet dancer captured our hearts. This time, let's have spotlight on. So we have the word pedestrian. You have learned the use of this word as a noun, but the word undergoes an interesting change when it is used as an adjective. A pedestrian speech, for example, is very dull and commonplace. It moves along very slowly. Can you see how this meaning is related to going on foot? Another uncomplimentary use of the same root is pedant. So why don't you find the meaning? Again, our word for our spotlight on is pedestrian. Now let's picture it. So look at the picture carefully and tell which of the words studied in lesson number 18 is suggested by the picture. So you can see here a mechanic and a car, and he has something in his hand here. It must be like a pump or something. So what do you think this picture is suggesting to us? Well, the answer is lubricate. So the mechanic is going to lubricate the car. So that ends our episode for this day. I'll see you again, guys, for another lesson that we'll be having. Have a great day.